Yo, what up everybody? This is Scott from Sounds Good Stereo. Man, we got something special today. We wanted to, I want to take a moment and introduce you to a very special girl in my life. She's been with me for a very long time. She's gone through the good times, the bad. Today we're trying to get some things corrected and really make her something special. So YouTube, Instagram, IGTV, whoever else is watching, I want you guys to meet my girl Sheila. Sheila is a 2005 GMC TopKick. Sheila has been through the ringer, man. We are building her for Scotty and the team over at XS Power Batteries. And God, what a system this is gonna be. Sheila is, I got stories for day, where the name Project Sheila came from, everything. She's busted us down on the side of the road. She's had days she's been playing. This story today is we're taking Sheila down, we're getting her naked, we're gonna totally redo this truck from the top to bottom, and we wanna take you guys along with us. So what we're gonna do with Project Sheila, got loads of gear going in this thing from Scotty. We got all his new lithium tech going in this thing. We've got alternators from McLaren. We've got big bass system, man. We got 3 Incriminator Warden 15s. We've got 15, 20,000 watts of bass going in here. I mean, it's gonna be live, man. So what we're gonna do is, no further ado, we're gonna get this thing running. We're gonna get you guys all set up, and we're gonna try. This one's gonna be wild, man. We're gonna try to do a video a day for you guys, and man, it's gonna be a ride. So it's gonna be long nights, car stereo, real world. So you guys sit down, get some popcorn, get comfortable, and let's ride. All right, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do getting started here, we have already taken quite a bit of Sheila apart, but where we're gonna get you guys started is in here. We're gonna go ahead, we gotta get seats out of this thing. We're gonna get the carpet out of it. There's a rack in the floor that's gotta come out. We're gonna get Sheila naked. So we gotta just get out all the old cabling that's under there, just make this thing 100% fresh. Right now, DJ is going through, he's gutting some stuff under the hood. So we do have our alternators mounted on here. There's a couple McLaren 370s. We'll go over how these are getting configured as we get a little further. But yeah, let's go ahead. We got a bunch of tear down to do, so we're just gonna start ripping it out and just get comfortable. This one's gonna be a minute, so let's go in. All right, what do we got? Oh, hey DJ's bud.
How you doing?
All right, let's show them what we got.
We got melty.
All right, so we got this thing gutted. I'll show you this in a second here. So we got all the goodies out of here. You know, it's super beneficial taking this thing down to nothing. We found a bunch of junk under here. It's not that it was, some of it was okay, you know, some of it was just old and needed to come out, but it's part of what we're doing. We found some cool shit under here though. You want to show them?
All right, let's see.
So we pulled the doghouse because we're trying to chase harnesses down, and I guess we found some of these, like, I guess these are just breather hoses. I don't think they do very good sitting on the downpipe though. No. It's kind of spotty. So we're gonna get that corrected. I mean, we're not mechanics, but
a whole bunch of melted harnesses.
Yeah, there's some harnesses down here. This is why you always got to pay attention. I don't know if I'm even getting that in the shot. Where is it? So right here, see?
Can you see it?
Yeah. So you see where this is melted. This is why you got to pay attention to where the hell you run your wires, man. I mean, like, vehicles...
There's more melted there, too.
Vehicles are, like, shitty environments, you know? So if wires aren't secure, this is what we end up with. So we're going to correct all that. I think some of that goes back for the trailer brake system.
The other set, I believe, is for the what? The secondary fuel pump?
Yeah. So that
We're gonna have to rerun all that.
So we still have a little bit of mess under the dash. It's not... Alright, it sucks. But
it's better than what it was.
Yeah, so at least we know what it is. That's a plus.
Yeah.
It's an alarm, super easy alarm, remote start. There were some window boxes tied in here, so we'll get that shit cleaned up. That shouldn't take long. I mean, I love that stuff. We'll just do some wire pouring on there. Plus get everything out of the way. You know, we actually, let's show them where we're at under the hood. Show them what you've been working on. So, got a stud in the butt.
Stud in the butt.
All right.
That was all bit of duty.
All right, what do we got? So DJ's been cleaning us up under here. There was just a lot of accessories. Like, everything was just, I don't know, I guess it was an afterthought. Like, so it just looked like an afterthought. So we have an OEM style fuse case that we put in here. This is going to be power from our battery. It's going to be accessories under the hood. We also have some, I guess, what are those? That's cool. ATC fuses that we're going to do just for some lighting accessories, relays, just, oh look, just like the factory stuff is, but just all of our aftermarket stuff. We're also going to have fuses for the alternators. It's super important we protect those. So 370 amps is not something to shake a stick at. So we're going to get that corrected. Still got to correct all this kind of little stuff. Just pecking through. We're going to have all new runs from... So the way we're configuring this, to give you guys a brief idea. So two 370 amp alternators from Mechman. One of them is going to go to a giant lithium bank that's going to be in the center console. Show you all Scotty's lithium cells here. We got them all balanced today. Shout out to Sean over at Excess Power. He came by and gave us a training today. He's the absolute man. So really cool getting that balanced. So one of the alternators is going to run the lithium bank. It's set up to charge at 15.4 to 15.6. So the lithium works best at high voltage. So we'll have a 370 going directly to that. Then the other 370 is going to go to the AGM battery that we have in the stock location. So this is kind of fuse distribution for all the, what would be 12 or 14 volt accessories. So just trying to get everything mapped out. There's, as you can tell, loads of goodies going into Sheila, and we just need serviceability. You know, we don't want this thing driving, some lights go out, and all of a sudden, traditional car stereo, you're looking under the dash chasing like tapped in fuses. It's just not what we do. So we try to label the fuse panels, keep them all serviceable and accessible, and kind of like the OEM does. But DJ and I are gonna get back running. We still got, this is just the tip, man. So we're gonna get back to running here, and we'll check back with you guys here shortly. All right, guys, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna get the camera set back up. The plan is we're gonna go ahead, get it all vacuumed up, wipe it all down, and we're gonna go ahead and lay some treatment in here. Let's get you set up. Okay. So we're gonna call it. I got, so all the treatment's down. I still gotta roll it out and stuff, but huge difference. Now he did. So got all that, that's good. Tomorrow we're gonna get into some cables. Where'd you end up?
I got all sorts of crap ripped out. Missed the secondary fuel pump situated. The trailer brake has been rewired. And more crap ripped out.
More crap ripped out.
So we're getting there.
There's a whole bunch of goodies. So the plan is for us, what we got to do is, because Sheila can't go up in the air yet, we have batteries disconnected and stuff right now. These are some of the harnesses he's talking about. He prepped. Junk like this just coming out. Obviously some of these are factory accessories that still need to be used, but they just need to look good because they sucked. So just to be polite. But so yeah, we'll get this thing dressed up and looking good. But so the plan for him is we're working under the hood here. We're going to get everything dressed, cleaned up, prepped. At the inside, got the treatment down. So tomorrow we'll get some cabling run. So I think the game plan for me is I gotta relocate window switches that are going to go in the center console, lock switches, all the speaker wires. There was some stuff running the door, but we're not going to use it. We're going to rerun. Just Sheila will be ours when we're done, so we want to know every inch of it.
Every inch, baby.
Yeah, and then for serviceability and stuff, we just need to know where everything lies. So we've got, I think we're doing 8, or no, not 8, crazy. There's 4 16-gauge speaker wires going into each door. There are RGB wires going into each door for some lighting. Amplifiers are actually going to go, it's going to be really cool. So we have all the mids and highs. We have 2 of the tweaks from JL Audio. So we have 2 DSPs. One is going to be for the left side of the truck and one is going to be for the right side of the truck. But down here in these pockets, there's one in the front here, and let's see if we show you. Kind of a teaser of the door we got. That's the pod for the 2 8s, and then there's some foreign tweets going up there. I'll show you. Intermission, but it's kind of the pod for the 4 tweet, and then we've got some Escalade door handles that we're putting in there, so we got to redo some cables. But anyway, so back pocket here. So we're going to run amps. We got amps from Soundigital for all the mids and highs. I believe, I got to go check and see. It's been a minute. Sheila and I have been together for years, so you forget everything. But we got, I think we're doing Soundigital 804s. So in the Evo line, so we're gonna have, I think it's basically 1 per door, and we may have some other amps. I don't know. She'll be loud, I'll tell you that. But
4-channel per door.
Yeah, I think it's an Evo 804.
Well, then it's got to be 5 4-channels.
I don't know, bro. There's a lot of power going in this thing. We're gonna figure it out. So I got to go upstairs and see what amps. It's like you're married for so long you forget your anniversary. So
you got the 8s and the kicks also.
Yeah, loads of stuff. So the speaker configuration in this, we'll show you. Sheila's a little bit different than our traditional projects here, but I guess not. They're all fun. But Sheila's going to be not your typical SPL build. So when we do the mids and highs in this, we're going to treat it basically like we treat the vehicles that we do. So we're going to do basically what is, I guess you could call it an exaggerated 3-way. So each front door is getting a pair of 8-inch Pro Audio drivers from McLaren. We've got a 4-inch and a compression horn going in there. The back doors are going to be the same, all fully active. Then we have 8-inch drivers in the kick panels, a 4 and a compression driver on the A-pillar. I mean, Sheila gonna get it. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of bass, so we need lots of mids and highs to keep up. But we're gonna clean up because this place is a total train wreck right now. Go home, get some sleep, come back in and
do it all over again.
Do it all over again. This is gonna be our life for like the next, I don't know, however long it takes to get it done. So hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know if this one's gonna get posted individually or what, but stay with us. This is just the beginning. So Project Sheila, day 1, produces.